Adventurers, this is the level stone! The treasure must be nearby. This is so exciting! Let's see. Oh, I feel something! Might be. I hope it is! Hello, everyone. I'm Dash the Adventurer, the world's greatest treasure hunter. I love going on epic adventures to find super cool treasures. I've got an idea. You want to come with me today? This is going to be great. I've got a clue to get us started. Help me figure it out. I have a little window with a lime green glow and a tiny air bubble that slides to and fro. Help me think. I have a little window. Look at all these houses. They've got windows, but they're not little, and I don't see a lime green glow. What about the tiny air bubble? Well, there might be air bubbles in the water. But the clue seems to want us to find something with the window and the air bubble together. I wonder, maybe it's somewhere near here. Will you help me to look? Let's do it. Ooh, many different kinds of tracks in the sand, and there's some seaweed. Hang on. This object looks interesting. Let's take a closer look. Do you guys think this is what the clue was talking about? I hope so. So this is buried. Help me choose. What could I use to dig around it? Yes, the shovel. All right, let's have at it. Adventurers, take a look at this. You know what it is? It's a level. Check out the window and the lime green glow and the bubble in the middle. This is definitely what the clue was talking about. I can show you how to use it. You want to see? Let's go. When someone says that a surface is level, they mean that surface is flat. So it's different from when you're going up a hill or down a hill. Those surfaces are not flat. They're not level. We use this level to see whether something is flat. Look at the bubble between these two black lines. When that bubble stays between the lines, something is flat. But if the bubble goes this way, it's slanted in that direction. If the bubble goes this way, it's slanted in the other direction. We can use our level on different objects to see if they're flat or not. I'd love to show you how. Let's go find some objects and give it a try. All right, adventurers, take a look where we are right now. We're on the street. Now, one thing you should know about levels is they're very useful in construction. When building our houses, we want to know if our floors are level. Even when they're constructing roads, people make sure that the road is level. Should we see if this road is level? Let's try. Ooh, take a look. What do you think? Is the bubble in the middle? Ooh, the workers made a nice level street. I wonder where else we can use the level. Let's go. Let's try this red curb. Do you think it'll be level? Ooh, It's pretty close. We could say close enough. Not as level as the street was. Ooh, check out this crack here. Do you think it will be level over the crack? Ooh, not even close. Adventurers, there are so many fun ways to use this level. But I want to make forward progress toward our treasure. What we could use is a clue. I wonder where we'll find one. Did you see what I see? Look! Find the level stone. Talk about a clue. On our level, we need to find a stone. There are no stones nearby. Plenty of little rocks on the street. Did I bring something that could help me look farther away? Yes, the binoculars. Let's look. What will we find? Some pretty sweet palm trees. Yes. Okay, we got some seagulls too. There we go, seagull. Well, there's some other shorebirds looking for food. All right, good. There's some houses. There's a pump jack. Ooh, let's see. Adventurers, look at all those stones. I think we need to explore there. Let's go. All right, adventurers. I see a few more opportunities to try out our level. Do you think this palm tree is level? It surely is. Ooh. Let's try out the sink. Now that is one level sink. Good job, workers. Ooh, I've got a couple of tricks to show you with our level. Do you see these 3 lime green parts? Well, they're there for a reason. Check this out. This connected with a magnet to the pole. Now, if you look here, it's right between the black lines. It's level. That means this post is straight up and down. Wow. All right, adventurers, we sure did find many stones, but it would take weeks to find the right one that's level. If only there was some way to find the right area to level the stones. I have a great idea. We could use the magic compass. Now remember, the magic compass helps us find the way to the treasure. But it only works if we move. Get ready, adventurers. Whoo! It's working! Let's go! This way. Oh! 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 Whoa! All right, adventurers. Here. Find the level stone. We better use our level and find out which of these stones is level. Can you help me use what we've learned? Let's try it out. Do you think this stone is level? What do you think? No, it's not this one. Let's try this stone. Is that one level? No, this one's not either. What about there? No, I agree. That one's not level. Let's try this one. What do you think? Yes! Adventurers, this is the level stone! The treasure must be nearby. This is so exciting! Let's see. Oh, I feel something! It might be. I hope it is! It's the treasure! Check it out. It's a liquid timer. We can use this to keep track of time. There are two different kinds of liquid. The clear liquid is lighter. The blue liquid is heavier. That's why the blue liquid rolls down the slant of the corkscrew down toward the bottom. The slant means that the corkscrew is not level. It's just like the roof of a house. Have you ever seen water land on a roof and it slides down? We want the roof slanted so the water won't pool on the roof. We can use this timer to keep track of time in the future. What a fantastic treasure! Great job, adventurers. We did it! We used the level, an important tool to discover if something is flat or not. And it led us to a treasure. The world is full of amazing things to discover. Do you want to go on another adventure with me? Let's do it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you know when we're off our next journey. I'm Dash the Adventurer. D-A-S-H. Can you say that with me? D-A-S-H. And I can't wait to go on my next adventure with you.